The de-dollarization is real. The union of these countries against the West is real. And if and when they all dump dollars and the tidal wave of dollars come home, it creates a massive problem against everything in this country that is valued opposite a spike in interest. The people who haven't figured it out yet, when this hits, when this moment happens of global de-dollarization, when the banking crisis accelerates, like we talked about in number one, whatever the fuse that is lit that blows the whole thing, there's so many people that are ill prepared for what's coming, whether it be financially, spiritually, emotionally, I mean, any of it. They're just not prepared. And I think that's when things get really frightening. When you talk about insurrection, when you talk about having to sit in your bedroom with a gun on your table, these are things that you don't want to think about. But honestly, it's that serious. It truly is. And then you look at all of the things that have happened on the periphery, all of the disruptions with food processing plants and eggs and bird flu and the chickens and everything. It's the perfect storm happening all at once. And I don't want to be an alarmist, but there is nothing wrong with preparing in every way as if a hurricane is coming tomorrow. In fact, that's what Jamie Dimon said. He said a hurricane is coming, not a storm, but a hurricane. And if you prepare as though it is a hurricane, and in the words of Xi Jinping, 100-year hurricane, then I think you will be far better off than just sitting and being reactionary. You must be proactive. And you know what? If you have to donate some food to a food shelf, if you have to give your gold and silver to your children or to a church or to anyone that means anything to you, if you have stockpiled this stuff to protect your family prematurely and it doesn't pan out, who cares? But it could save your life and not only allow you to survive, but maybe even thrive when the dust settles. And there will be opportunities that will blow people's minds when valuations meet an equilibrium with interest rates, valuations in asset prices. And those that haven't been wiped out will be able to then come in and rebuild and take advantage of generational opportunities.